Ha kasngi ka baar jong ke Shillong Literary Festival arjar arpusan la saki ya kejing penbenai ke polisi beper kejing pelat pajba ai kikot kejing ekren halor ke literature bat kejing pen inam ya ke Kolshor kabala pen scam ba ke Shillong kala nangkiu ha ka kerdan kum ka slem jong ka thoh katar bat ka perkhat ka perdang ha bakren ha kini kejing alang menteri rang ba ke jela ukurat ke sangma ulapan pau ba kini ke tamasa kala kiu syaprang na kejing sedang kabarit bat menja kalalong kum kerensan kabahe bat ulat terwa man sedang ya kejing kop thoh man penslur ke nong thoh ke badang khanat ka Meghalaya kadai ban kalalong kum ka jaka kaba ka thoh kadai ban long shibynta ha kerukom trekam bat ha ka Kolshor jongi menteri rang ba ulapan benaru ban peniar kejing ai ya ka Chief Minister Research Grant ha ka bah nyop sangut ki scholar menta kalayo jingkershan banle ya ki research ne ke jingwat benia halor jong kejat berriu khasi garu bat jantia ula pentibru ba kala donru kawai ka kanhun wat benia ka bakarpang ka balaya chakmat ban bu ha ke jingtho halor ki tenrai ka history ke jingyetu ki baide bat ka Kolshor jong kini ki lightly ki jat benriu
being held right here in Watts Lake. I normally don't do this, but I apologize for being early. Normally we apologize for being late, but I'm sorry I came early. The problem is that technology these days is so good that we take things for granted. So they updated my calendar at the last moment when I was only sitting in the car, that the program is at 10 o'clock and not at 9:30. And based on the 9:30 program, I had already set up my programs in different parts of the state. As you all know, I like to travel a lot, so I've got a program in Umsning in the evening. So I have to rush there, and before that, of course, I've got many review meetings. But coming to today's program, I have seen, and I think most of us sitting here have seen this Lit Fest literally grow in front of our eyes. I remember the first time we had it, it was in that corner up there. And it was a very small gathering. It's still a small gathering, but it was small in the sense that it had very few authors. It had very few distinguished people. And also it had very few participants. And even at that point in time, there were a lot of people who were discouraging us, saying, what are you trying to do? You're trying to copy the Jaipur Lit Fest. You'll never get there. Shillong is not meant to be in that league. And these were the kind of comments that we got at that point in time. It was very discouraging, I must tell you. Of course, we get those kind of comments even now for other things, but it's fine. I think we're getting used to it. But today, to see this Lit Fest grow into what it is now, I'm not saying that we are where we would like to be. There's a long journey ahead of us. But looking back, there's a small sense of satisfaction to some extent to see the kind of buzz, the kind of individuals, the kind of quality that this literary festival is able to pull. And I think what is more heartening for me to see and to feel and to be able to be part of is to see our own writers come up. I think that is one of the key areas which we wanted to target and push when we started the literary festival. We said our people have the talent, our people have the passion, our people have the desire and the will to write and to be able to tell a story. But I guess we don't, or we are not able to give the platform that they deserve. And that's really what we're trying to do. We are bringing established authors from outside the state, the nation and the country. And we are also trying to motivate our youngsters and our own people to start the process of writing, to not be shy, I should say, or think that, is my book going to make any sense? So I hope that we have been able to build that culture of writing. That's really what we're trying to do.
It's a startup.
Okay.
And we started in 2024.
Okay.
And then we focus on complete drugless approach, treating people at the physical, mental and emotional level. So I'm a doctor, I'm an Irish doctor, and this is how I treat my patients through our lab tested oils, making luxury more affordable for everyone.
Wow.
So all our products are the first lab tested products in our state in terms of oils.
Oh.
So our hair oil is also lab tested, and
Wow.
muscle oil is rich in magnesium, so it helps in pain reduction. And we have our famous stress oil to reduce cortisol. So all of these are fat soluble, so the moment you apply it onto your skin, instantly reduce stress. Then the gastro oil is for gastric issues, and our bath salt is an aura cleanser. So it cleanses off all your negative energy at the end of the day. And then our aloe vera gel is something very natural. As natural stabilizers, we've used essential oils. So sir,
nice.
this is for you.
Lab
The
picture?
master.
This is great.
Yes sir. So and
Your contact details are here?
yeah.
Okay.
So and I would like you to come see our vegan yoga mat.
I'll.
Yeah, you have to be close or far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I will not. I will not take him as my. you can just come close and take my face. Yeah, go for my face and say. Then you can zoom out on this. Huh? So I'm going to say this. Yeah, zoom out. Yeah. So here we have the first eco-friendly scooter right here in Watts Lake. Does it actually work? No. You can put an engine on it. Eh? Okay. Awareness to do it.
Yeah, and recently this unclaimed deposits and inappropriate accounts that Department of Finance is concerned.
Like you were mentioning in your speech, sir, about the money rotation, GDP growing. So when the money comes to the people, digital transactions are happening. So people should be aware and alert how to do the transactions. That financial literacy we are doing.
Good.
Verify the details
Where
of
will they
any
get?
government scheme from your Gram Panchayat or Tehsildar's office before making any payment for getting the subsidy.
Okay. Okay.
For example, look here. For example, me and Miss Penny, okay?
This is a child-
we get this
children's
song,
play
Jingle
area
Bell,
where
Jingle
they're
Bell, okay?
where they're showing the local culture and the storytelling of our different cultures of our state, and they're trying to pass it on and share it with the children and train them. So it's a really great initiative for the young children to learn about the culture of our state and of our people in a fun way. So they're enjoying it. So it's like a play, but it's part of the culture also.
Come on, try. Very good, come on. You did it great. Come on. Come on. Very good, come on. Where's this? Same song, come this side, okay? That will be the first winner. Okay?